Hey, welcome back. Van here. Today I'm going to go over a new app that I found. One that'll help all video creators with their audio, hopefully. Now there's one earbud that I used that didn't work quite well with this app. But then I've got these headsets right here, the LG, and I'm going to try those out. But this allows you to work off your Bluetooth on your phone and link the microphone in your headset to your phone while you're recording video. Now the ones that I saw online that actually worked the best with it is the actual ones from Apple, but I don't have those. So I'm going to stop the video right now. I'm going to go and check the audio and see what it sounds like. Alright, so this is what it sounds like without using the Bluetooth headset. Alright, now this is what it sounds like with the Bluetooth headset connected. I've got my iPad out. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the MoviePro video recorder. I did have to pay for this app. I don't know what I paid for it. I think it was $5. Man, if it can connect audio and I can leave this room and go all the way down, as long as my Bluetooth is still connected to my phone, you can still hear my voice. Where when I was using the lapel mic connected to my phone, well, you know how it is. The farther away you get from it, the worse the audio is. You turn your head away from it, something blocks it. But the good thing about the lapel mic is that it's noise canceling. Now I do have a device that I can connect my lapel mic to and make it Bluetooth, but we're in the middle of moving and I packed it up and I don't know where I put it. But I'll look it up and leave a link to that in the description box down below. You can find that on Amazon because that's where I picked it up at. It's a simple thing to use. You just connect it to your Bluetooth, plug in your lapel mic. You can walk around with it clipped, but I couldn't use it with anything until I got this app. This app is what's going to make it work. So once I get moved, I'll do away with these things and use the app. So I'm going to go here and open this up. So as you can see here, we have the light. So yeah, you zoom in right here. It's got the shutter speed for the zoom. Right here is where your pictures are stored. Here's your info. You click on that, and that's going to take you to where it's like a user's manual. Here's your settings button. Here's your lighting. This moves your screen. It's really, really simple and easy to use. I like it so far. I haven't used it that much, but it's going to be used at least once a week. Hey y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you make up your mind on what to do about audio. This was a great find. So y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one now. You come back.